A major blow to the coffee industry in the Blue Mountains. That's how residents of several St. Thomas communities describe the damage from Hurricane Melissa. In many parts, the crop has been ruined by the hurricane. Krista Campbell has our story.
It seems Hurricane Melissa has taken a sledgehammer to the already ailing coffee industry, and residents of St. Thomas say they're struggling to get back up from what they describe as a tough blow. There were not many residents in sight as the TVJ news team tried to meander through communities stripped of houses, roads, hillsides, and crops.
Mash up my house. I want to bed left. Walk land down, me gone in for the time is. Can't do nothing at all. All piece of the wall jump out, gone.
God, the road them bad and the tomatoes get leaked, the scallion, the coffee. All the boat then they TVJ.
In Penline Castle, which connects to the Blue Mountain Peak, farmers outline the devastation.
Coffee, pear, scallion, everything get leaked.
All the coffee, the ripe coffee beans, they are on the ground. The leaves are off the trees as well. Not to mention the banana trees. All the trees are down. Bearing bananas, the young one, everything is down.
Farmers say the pears were ready to reap, and according to them, they suffered too much damage to quantify now. As tough as it is coming face to face with the devastation at daybreak, nightfall brings a whole other challenge. There's still no electricity in the area.
Apart from a few persons who have engine, who turn on to get light and to keep their meats in the fridge fresh and so on. But this does not happen throughout the night. It's only like, say, 2-3 hours each night the generator have been turned on.
Many roads still impassable. Residents sing a tune ringing through many other communities in the worst hit parishes. Little to no contact with the outside world.
Only a few persons really can make contact with family members abroad. One person get the information from another family member and pass it on. So that's the only mean of communication, because right now the phones are down.
She says even with the only network that is able to give some connectivity, residents have to go to designated spots in the area to get service. Across that farming area of St. Thomas, the picture of disaster. Landslides virtually keeping neighbors apart and help from getting to those who need it. Here in Mango Row, Morant Bay Mayor Louis Chin is monitoring work to clear a roadblock. But each movement of the tractor still sends bits of the hillside sliding down. The Yalos River has extended its course to the streets of Hagley's Gap, making getting in and out of the area like a game of Russian roulette. Watch as this senior citizen takes the plunge, shoes in hand, carefully weaving through the waters and being assisted safely across the other side. At a landslide in Penline Castle, the mayor gave an overview.
The tourists can cross it to the Blue Mountain Peak. I've been to Mango Row, and the road from Mango Row to Mount Vernon. It's a huge landslide over there, but we have equipment clearing right now. The river from Malganville to St. Andrew, it's impossible right now. We're trying our best. Going to the joint board to see what we can do to help out the people from Hagley's Gap who can go to like the market and everything. They travel from Hagley's Gap to St. Andrew. It's impossible right now for everybody, no one to cross over there.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.